guys,
setting
welcome back to my
bend to
channel.
remove the shine from the natural nail. So of course, going from the right side all the way over to the left side, and just making sure that as you're following the nail,
If you did, I'm gonna give you
super
one of my
gentle. We're
shirts.
just literally going in to remove the shine. We don't want it thin
Today
down
we're
the
gonna
nail.
be eating
And then of course, as
tacos
you're doing it, you also want
with
to be
me.
gentle because you don't want to
So
put too much pressure
what
on
we're
the
going to
nail
be doing
because it will
is
cause friction and it will cause your client's nail to burn, and it's not a good
we're
thing.
gonna
So
be
make sure
doing
that you're
like
careful. And during this step,
Naya, what's it called? The things when you eat in front of the TV thing. Oh, the mukbang. That's what we're gonna be doing. Well, I am. Well, I don't know if somebody wants to join in. They can, except for Mara. And welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that like.
That way I have some stability as I'm following and my e-file is not just all over the place.
Hold on, I'll be
full
wiping.
control over it the entire time.
I'm not pushing that because it's gonna turn on my camera thing off. So. Okay, first we're doing the mukbang with ham. And then we're gonna be doing tacos. I meant pepperoni. I'm sorry.
Alrighty, so up next, we just dust the nails off, and then now I'm going to be applying the nail tips. And these are my 3XL square nail tips, which are absolutely flawless. And I am using the KBS to apply them. And just remember that whenever you're applying your nail tips, you want them to fit exactly from sidewalk to sidewalk. So you don't want them to be too big or too small because you will get breakage.
I'm gonna get one of the big pieces for you guys.
So, y'all, when I say that is super important, I've seen where people apply the tips way too big.
I'll try to.
You can literally see the nail hanging off the side of their finger. And like literally as soon as any water or just any type of moisture gets under there, it's going to cause the nail to come out. And same thing if, you know, the nail is too small, it's going to want to lift up, and so eventually it's just going to come off.
My hand.
But now we're just going in and trimming down the nails. We're going to cut them like halfway. She wants like a medium.
I already did the talkie challenge.
So not too short, not too long. We're going to do that.
I did the other mukbang with candy.
Both hands to make sure they're all the right length. After that, since I'm not
so today we're doing tacos. Right you guys said in the comments that you guys wanted me to do a taco day. So that's what I'm doing. No, I don't want this. I don't want it.
Usually I would do this with my regular, like with my hand file. I do that when shaping the nail.
I got another one for you guys.
I just went ahead and skip that and I just grabbed my e-file. So whatever works for you.
That's the one my lifted. I got the big one.
You said you was going to take it outside. I figured you looked in the motherfucker.
I want to watch that again.
You got a phone.
I just want to watch that again.
Who back?
Daddy. Daddy. I want to watch Daddy again.
Tomorrow we're doing the taco challenge. Cause I'm not doing it today.
Hey everyone,
sorry.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video.
So
this time we're going to be doing a full set of acrylic nails. So
that was all what we was doing today. Thank you for watching.
But I just went in and
it was so good to do with you guys. I hope you guys have fun. Oh, let me see. Let me see that hand. Pepperoni. We're gonna do one more before I get it off. Okay. We're gonna do 2 more hams and then I'm done.
And then, of course, as you're doing it, you also want to be gentle because you don't want to put too much pressure on the nail because it will cause friction and
I want to play with you.
And it's not a good feeling, so make
I got
sure
voice
that
chat.
you're careful. And during this step, I am also using
Let me do it with you.
Canon
When I'm done with my video.
I'll be tracing
Girl.
Who told y'all to eat that?
for you guys.
Put it up!
Again, as you guys can see, I work my way all the way around my cuticle area.
Why would y'all sit there and be eating that shit?
And then if you
Why you spit it out?
I am holding
God damn!
on the side.
Like that shit really for that.
That way I have some stability as I'm
Damn, you be knowing better. I'm so fucking sick of that shit. Taking your ass home, put that shit up. You might eat that, Mar. You can eat it now. Go on, sit there and eat it. Damn, like shit, people fucking rich. I don't get that. I just sat in the car to split one. So why would y'all be sitting there eating 4, 5? Like, be for real.
Mine brung it out anyway. See you later, bye. We're stopping this right now. Subscribe. Bye.